Students, now time for our online moral science class. As you all know, our first term exam will commence from coming Monday, 21st September. I think you all prepared well for your exam. And I think you all understand the total procedure. Anyway, telling you again the procedure. Please listen carefully. The question will be option based. 1 marks for each question. Whatever the question type, fill in, name the following, or spelling, word meaning, etc. Any type of question. One word answer, any type of question. There will be 4 options. You have to choose and tick the correct option, which is the answer for the question. In case of moral science, there will be 25 questions in all, and time limit will be 40 minutes. Now I am showing you again the routine for the exam. I think you all have it. 21st September, English language. 22nd September, English literature. 23rd September, second language. 24th September, social studies. 25th September, mathematics. 26th September, science. 28th September, English grammar. 29th September, computer. 30th September, GK. And 1st October is moral science, same science. 3rd October, third language. And 5th October, SUPW. Okay? And now I am showing you the syllabus again. Syllabus of moral science again. Okay? Please have a look. There will be 4 chapters for our exam. First chapter, Eclavius Loyalty. Second chapter, The Lady with the Lamp, Show Compassion. Third chapter, Athens, the First Democracy, Good Citizens. Chapter 4, Ravi gets back his self-esteem. So there are 4 chapters in our syllabus. Okay. Now I am showing you some question answers for example. The M Science question answers will be like that. Choose the correct options. That is the main part. First one, Zero felt bad for his friend dash feeling. It is the type of question is feeling. And 4 options are there. Miracles, medicals, none of the above. So I think you all know the correct option. Yes, miracles is the correct option. Next, he wanted to become a disciple of dash. This is also fill-in type question. And the options are Duryodhana, Dronacharya, Arjuna, Bhima. So what is the answer? Yes, Dronacharya. It is the correct option. It is the answer. You have to tick on it. That is, you have to click on it. Next, the feeling of love and kindness is called as loyalty, self-esteem, good behavior, compassion. The answer is compassion. Number 4, he is the spiritual leader of Buddhism in Tibet. Options are Dalai Lama, Saint Francis, Sai Baba, George Mario. The answer is yes, Dalai Lama. You have to click on it. For number 5, being an honorable nurse, she helped to clean the hospital herself. Who is she here? Sister Nivedita, Florence Nightingale, Helen Keller, or none of the above. The answer is B, Florence Nightingale. Next, rule by the people, for the people, and of the people is called democracy, autocracy, monarchy, or none of the above. The answer is democracy. Next, disloyalty means uncommitted, spying on others, lying to others, all of the above. All of the above means all these A, B, C correct. So, this option is the correct option, correct answer, all of the above. Next, when we stand up to sing national anthem, it is non-violence, courtesy, patriotism, or courage. The answer is patriotism. So, this type of questions there will be, in all there will be 25 questions for our M Science exam. So, that's all for today's class, and best of luck to you all for coming exam, and bye now.